Hello, boys and girls of YouTube. Well, making some progress. Not as much as I'd like. Um, lately, been buying a lot of parts more than anything else, and you've seen some of them. But really, this video wanted to show you the progress or lack thereof progress. And to go over some things that I kind of mentioned before, but they're still haunting me. That's little mistakes. So last time I showed you this playfield, the big mistake was uh, you know drilling the openings for this sling. I did go over and do this one a little better. Still not perfect. So I'm wondering now if it's really me or the diagram I'm using. Maybe a little bit of both. Because I definitely did a better job measuring this out and making sure that the big part was the angle of this. I got the angle right, just that the spacing that it told me to measure out was definitely a little off. This was a little this way and needed to be this way. And this was a little this way and it needed to be this way. So that was one thing. The other thing is the flipper. The space between here is a little bit too wide, and it was actually up a little bit. So I had to modify that. And then the biggest thing was the trough. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way. And you can see that it's definitely wasn't where it was supposed to be. Now, yeah, I didn't do the straightest of cuts, but that didn't make too much of a difference. We also have to remember this is, the test board. This is the first whitewood, so little mistakes are gonna happen. So I'm not worried about it. So it definitely doesn't need to be perfect, but it's definitely was over too far this way because the mechanism is almost at the edge, and this side lines up okay, but not bad. But this, you can see, was either too big. But what I really think was happening, this needed to be over or up or whatever. Maybe, I don't know, less than a quarter inch. I mean, it winds up being okay over here. Either maybe the angle's wrong. I'm not sure. But anyway, these are all things to take note of. So this way, when I cut the second board, things will obviously be better. I'm going to try to get... maybe not. I was going to say I was trying to get a CNC machine, but I know I'm not going to. If I was to get one, it would only cover half of this at a time, so I'd have to flip it around because anything that'll take the whole board in one shot, probably don't want to spend that much money to do, one pinball machine. Would I do another one somewhere down the line? Will I probably do more than one playfield iteration for this one? Yeah, but still, the cost for a CNC machine that I think that would fit this, I think the least expensive is $1,700. And again, I'm probably gonna do it by hand. Maybe the final version. Like I said, I'm gonna get all the things measured out and put it into a program that I can CNC with. So maybe I can get somebody to do it. Pay somebody to do it. But that's still way down the line. I think I can still do most of it by hand. Just takes a lot longer, and you have to be a little more careful, I guess, measuring out. But I'm definitely learning a lot by doing it this way. And really just wanted to give you guys a quick update because I haven't really talked about what I'm doing or showed you guys what I'm doing with the playfield. So I'm probably going to wire the lower third now and make sure everything kind of works and start setting that up. And then I'll do the rest of it. The rest of it, I have some ideas. I kind of mentioned them in a few other videos that I'm going to have a couple drop targets. We'll go from there. All right, just a real quick update. Thanks.